Okay, so you've got this far in our YouTube playlist, International Trade Made Easy. This should mean that we have persuaded you that it is at least worth seeing what you would have to do to develop your international trade potential. But I repeat what both Ian and I have said in previous videos, there's no magic wand, and it will take time and effort to generate these benefits. However, the first steps that we set out here can be quickly and easily completed and will cost you nothing. Even if you decide that exploring international markets is not for you, these suggestions will help your position in your domestic market. Right, let's look at these first 6 steps that will help you to prepare for international markets. We recommend that you start with an export readiness checklist. This lists what you will need to do to prepare an export plan and then implement it. From this, you will be able to see where you are in this process. We have prepared a checklist for you, which you can download from the Expo UK web page that I have listed in the description below. You don't have to have answers for all the questions. However, the process of developing your export plan starts here and gives you a better picture of what will be required. At the same time, you should check on your company's public-facing profile. This is how you appear to third parties. Make sure that it gives as good an impression as possible. This is just as true for domestic sales as international sales. Therefore, even if you decide not to pursue overseas opportunities, this will benefit you domestically. Begin with your profile in your official company registry. Is it up to date, complete and accurate? If not, make the necessary corrections. Is your website up to date? Have you carried out an SEO audit? Make sure that you carry out any updates and improvements that have been identified. Links to relevant tools for the SEO check can be found in the Exporter's Almanac. The link to this is also included in the description below. It is likely that potential overseas partners will request a credit check on your company. You should check what they are likely to see. If you are not happy with what you see, you can discuss with the credit reporting agency how to improve your credit profile. There are a number of business directories where you can publish your company's profile free of charge. The main one to consider is registering with Compass. Again, we provide below a link to the Compass website. Other business directories can be found in the Exporter's Almanac. Your business email addresses should reflect your business domain. If anyone in your company is still using an email address that is a Google Mail or similar address, this gives the impression that you are a small company and incapable of being an international partner. If this is the case, you should make the necessary change. Once you have checked that your own house is in order and you have reviewed your export readiness checklist, you should be able to decide whether to proceed or not. If you decide not to proceed, this does not make you a bad person. It simply means that you looked at the options and decided that they were not for you. However, we do hope that you decide to develop your international potential and that the videos we provide here will help you on your journey. Thanks for watching. If you would like to contact us directly, please feel free to do so. Our website and my email address are on this slide. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on growing your international trade potential. Just click the subscribe link on the screen. It doesn't cost anything. If you think anyone you know would be interested, please share this link with them. And if you're ready for the next step, check out the next video in the playlist. It's linked right here.